Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, April 17th. We do have a cold front moving through today. We'll have a little bit of mountain snow, particularly along the eastern highlands and Isle Park area. Be cooler and breezier. We still have some river flooding going on, mainly just the Portneuf from Income. This is a picture here in Income to Pocatello, mainly farmland area. Um, we do have high pressure will build in by Friday and remains into early next week. We'll bring overall dry conditions and gradual warming because we do cool down quite a bit to 8 to 12 degrees below normal today and tomorrow. Some cool temperatures tomorrow morning in particular. Here's the satellite imagery with a cold front going through right now across our area. We are seeing some showers again, mainly in the Island Park area and the eastern highlands. River floodings are going to be a main impact. We have some elevated flows from the warm temperatures from last week, and I'll show you those graphs here in a second. And then snow showers in the eastern highlands, Island Park area, generally in the 1 to 3 inch range, but some 4 to 5s in there, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Here's the special weather statement. We haven't seen snow in a while. Just be aware for the commute, particularly the Island Park and Driggs area, Pine Creek Pass, as you have snow this morning. And then here's the flood advisory from Topaz down to Income, and then Income to Pocatello flood warning still remains. Here's the graphs. Here's the Pocatello right below moderate flood stage. Looks like it will drop off some in response to those cooler temperatures. A lot of that snow is coming from higher elevations, but as we warm back up over the weekend, you can see the response, and we'll start to approach moderate flood stage again by middle next week, very likely, and then right at minor flood stage for Topaz, and it remains very elevated throughout the foreseeable future. Here's all the graphs across the area. Again, that was the Pocatello gauge, the one, and the Topaz. We also have the Blackfoot one here above the Blackfoot Reservoir. It's in action stage, quite elevated, and then we can see the Willow's been going in and out of action stage, going into the Briar Reservoir up by Idaho Falls. Here's our forecast chart for today. The cold front moving through, again, just showing the snow showers up in the higher elevations, and mixed precip down low, rain down low. Generally, that's around 5,500, 5,000 feet, somewhere in that range, as far as the snow levels. This afternoon and today, we are still quite breezy, particularly across our southwest. Look for gusts of 20 to 30 or most of the area, but in gusts near 40s. As we go into our southwest areas, particularly those downslope areas, but near Idaho will be a concern area on I-84. And then here's our wind gust does back off as we go into the evening overnight. It's a gust 25 to 35, and then as high pressure builds in, it will be much better for Thursday and Friday. I'll show you that in a second. Here's our snow amounts. In general, will be that 1 to 3 inch range, and but some of the higher elevations will be in that 3 to 5 inch range, even a couple inches, 2 to 4 down in the Wasatch, potentially. So here's our high temperatures today: upper 40s in the mountains, even some 30s, upper 30s, and then 50s across our southwest areas. We do have high pressure start to build in. Won't see much precip Thursday, with just a little bit of light mountain traces in the afternoon in particular on Thursday. And then our high temperatures, you can see the morning lows are below freezing, even low 20s in some of the mountain areas. And then high temperatures on Thursday, mostly 50s in the lower areas, even some mid 50s in there. And then wind gusts Thursdays do back off. Starts out northerly, but then we'll have some westerly come back in by late Thursday into Friday. And then here's our high pressure over us Friday into most of the weekend. And here's our high temperatures Friday, even some 60s approaching, even more 60s across the areas on Saturday. And then Sunday, even a little slightly even warmer. So as a recap real quick, we have that cold front moving through today. We'll bring some mountain snow, 1 to 3 inches, with some 4 to 5s in some high mountain areas, and cooler, breezy conditions, even a little bit windy as we go into our southwest Burley, Idaho areas. And then we have high pressure building on Thursday through Friday, and bringing the dry conditions back with the gradual warming as we go through the weekend. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.